If you're planning to start a business in Alaska, forming an LLC is one of the smartest ways to protect yourself legally and make your business look more professional. In today's video, we are going to show you how to register an LLC in Alaska even if you are a complete beginner. We will also help you decide whether to file it yourself or use a permission service like Northwest to make the entire process hassle-free. We will cover this in more detail later in the video. Before we begin our journey, let's first answer the question, what exactly is an LLC? An LLC, or Limited Liability Company, is a business structure that combines the liability protection of a corporation with the flexibility and simplicity of a sole proprietorship or partnership. It's easy to manage and offers personal asset protection, which is why it's one of the most popular business structures in the United States. The question is, why form an LLC in Alaska? First, you have tax benefits. That means for entrepreneurs looking to maximize profits and minimize overhead, this can be a major win. Of course, you have legal protection. This means your personal finances, like your home or savings, are protected if your business ever faces debts or legal issues. Of course, you have operational flexibility. LLC in Alaska enjoys flexible management and pass-through taxation, allowing profits to flow directly to the owners without being taxed at the business level. Lastly, you have enhanced credibility. An LLC structure helps build trust with customers, vendors, and potential partners because it shows that your business is legitimate, professional, and built for long-term success. One of the most crucial part of creating an LLC is choosing a name. Now, let me tell you that you need to consider to include Limited Liability Company, LLC, or an approved abbreviation like LTD or CO to signify its legal structure. Having said that, you want to make sure that the name you choose for your LLC should be unique. You need to avoid words that suggest a connection to government like Bureau, Gov. Now, of course, we need to check the availability, and to make sure that we covered that, we need to go to Alaska Corporations database and go ahead to search it for now. If there are no matching results, that means the name is available and you are good to go. Now, the good thing is, for a small $25 fee, you can reserve your chosen name for up to 120 days. Once you've secured your LLC name, it's a good idea to secure a domain for your business right away. You can do this through hosting services like Hostinger or Namecheap. Feel free to use our affiliate links in the video description below to get started. Now, let's talk about choosing a registered agent for your Alaska LLC. This step is a legal requirement under the Alaska law, because every LLC must have a registered agent whose job is to receive all the legal documents on behalf of your business, like government notices, compliance reminders, and legal papers. Now, you want to make sure that they have a physical address in Alaska. PO boxes are not allowed. If you wanted to be your own registered agent, you can do that for as long as you meet all the state legal requirements. But what we highly suggest is to hire a professional service like Northwest for privacy and convenience. And then the next thing is we need to file the LLC articles of organization. So these are kind of the requirements. You need to establish your LLC name with the Alaska Division of Corporations. A non-refundable $250 fee, which you can file online or by mail, which may take a little longer, going around 10 to 15 business days. And of course, these are going to be some of the required information. Although Alaska doesn't legally require an operating agreement, it's highly recommended because it defines ownership and profit sharing, outlines management responsibilities, and it helps protect your limited liability status. Even single-member LLCs should have one for legal and banking purposes. Next is we need to get an EIN or Employer Identification Number through the IRS website. Basically, it's like a social security number for your LLC. You need an EIN to open a business bank account, hire employees, file taxes, and it would just take a few minutes. Next is filing your initial and biennial reports. This step is super important because it keeps your LLC in good standing with the state. Both of these reports are used to update and confirm your LLC's information, including our contact details, management structure, and registered agent. Once these reports are filed, you're officially set on the compliance side. Just stay on top of your future deadlines. That's why traditional filing, while it's cost effective, it really is time consuming, full of paperwork, and hiring a registered agent, while it is also a good option, it can be very expensive. But what if I told you there is a better solution, like using a formation service called Northwest? Northwest Registered Agent is a company that provides business formation services in the US without hiring an attorney or a registered agent, because they guide you through all these steps to create corporations, nonprofits, especially LLC, and any other business entity in any state in the US, including Alaska. Now, the good news is, if you haven't signed up with Northwest yet, you can use our affiliate link in the video description to get started. As you can see, the whole process is broken down into few simple steps. And let's start by choosing the business type, and that's going to be LLC. Choose the state, and in this case, that's going to be Alaska. This is going to be the total cost for filing this product, okay? Just click on continue because you need to provide the business name to be, and that's going to be how to register an LLC in Alaska. If you want to send a copy of lawsuits and legal notices to your attorney, you can do so. But if you don't want that, it's okay. If you want to provide a business purpose, you can do that. And you need to choose the physical address you want on record with the state. Is it going to be the registered agent address, the mailing address, or if you want to specify address, you can do so. Click the continue button. When forming an LLC, one important decision you'll need to make is choosing the management type. An LLC can either be member managed or manager managed, and each option serves a different purpose. If you are not sure about which type to choose, all you have to do is click the question mark button, which is going to be the help menu. So member managed are the owners, and they also handle the day-to-day operations, while the manager managed LLC, our members or owners do not manage the daily operations themselves. After choosing, provide your first and last name and click the add member and head over to the contact section. Here, provide all the information needed, and then on the account setup, you'll need to create an account if you haven't already. Now, one thing a lot of new business owners overlook is their business identity, and this part actually makes a huge difference. When you get started, you will receive a free business domain for 1 full year, which helps your brand look professional right from day one. After that is going to be the optional items. Choose any of these services if you want to add a tax ID. If you have a social security number, that's going to be like $50. And if you don't have a SSN, that could be a lot expensive. You can add all these, all right? And then after that, the last thing that you need to do is click the continue button and then head over to the payment methods. As you can see, using Northwest is pretty straightforward, a hassle-free experience, and hands down the easiest way to go. And basically, that's it on how to register an LLC in Alaska. The registration process is straightforward, the filing fees are reasonable. If you want full control and don't mind paperwork, DIY filing works great. But if you want a hassle-free process with reliable support, Northwest makes it super simple. They handle the paperwork, act as your registered agent, and keep your personal information private. While you can file your LLC yourself through the Alabama Secretary of State, using a service like Northwest saves you time, avoids mistakes, and gives you peace of mind especially if this is your first LLC. Now, if you are ready to start, check the link in the description to get your Alabama LLC registered with Northwest today. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.